How to fix Tonkeeper TON wallet app not working. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Tonkeeper TON wallet app not working. If your Tonkeeper TON wallet app is not working, you can try these steps to resolve the issue. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app works better on a different network. Also ensure that your Tonkeeper application is up to date to the latest version. We can check it by going to your Play Store, search Tonkeeper Wallet there. If you find the update button at the right side, you can go ahead and tap on it and update your application. Also, you can close your application completely and then reopen it. If the issue still persists, you can go and clear the cache from your device. For that, go to the settings of your device. There find applications and permissions. Then tap on this app manager. Once you tap on it, you will find all the applications installed on your device. Here scroll down and find Tonkeeper Wallet. Once you have found it, tap on it to open it. Here tap on this internal storage. And then there you will find clear cache option. Go ahead and tap on this option to clear the cache from your device. If the cache is cleared, go and check your Tonkeeper wallet if it is working or not. If the issue still persists, you can restart your mobile device. Also, you can uninstall the Tonkeeper application and then reinstall it. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix your Tonkeeper TON wallet not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.